Alright, what's up guys? So I might look really happy and excited, but the fact is I'm pretty scared right now because today I'm gonna learn the palm flip. And I know some of you guys and girls out there are probably already like, what are you, a sissy? Are you scared? Well, come on. In my opinion, this is like probably the scariest. I always say this, but in my opinion, this move is probably one of the scariest basic moves to learn for free running, and I think it's sweet, so I'm gonna attempt to learn it right now, hopefully under 5 minutes, but it's probably gonna take longer than that. I have a few little progressions I want to set up so you guys can see what works for me and maybe what doesn't, because maybe some of this won't work. But with that being said, I'm gonna learn the palm flip today. We'll see, but you gotta focus. Do it.
Don't have enough.
Whatever.
Alright. Great. Well, I mean, I can push my way into it, right? Oh. Let me tell you guys, I'm gonna try this on the ground, right? Trampoline is just to warm myself up. Oh my gosh. I could like cheat it by like doing one arm. That's probably how we'll first do it on the ground. Alright, cheating it might work.
Maybe I'll figure this out quicker than I thought. Let's have a look.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. It's scary just to do it back close to the wall. Geese. Wow. I'm too scared.
Alright, look what I had to do. Yeah, I know.
Alright. Side 180 first. Don't think about it too much. It's just like it looks. You know what I'm saying? Just don't think about it too much. It's like a Cody off the wall. That's what it's like. It's gonna take me way longer than 5 minutes because of the fear. I'm trying to come up with a good way to get over the fear, but honestly, nothing's like clicking right yet. That would have been straight on my head on the ground. There you go. It's gonna be more like a finger flip when I'm done. I'm too scared to go close. Oh, there we go. Alright. How can one even do this? Oh! There you go. Get aggressive with it. Get aggressive. There we go.
It's basically a land, now we can move back to the ground.
I'm so scared. There's no way.
Oh man.
Send it. Just send one.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but I totally nicked my heel going up. It's scary, but I actually got higher than I expected. Gotta get aggressive with that wall, I'm telling you. Oh man, I think I'm done. Can't do it. More flow, man, more flow. Oh my gosh, nothing more scary than that. Alright guys, I'm gonna start taking the pillows out. Okay, man, I don't think I've ever been that scared before. I know it's just one flip, and for a lot of you guys that's an elementary trick, but dude, I don't know, if I didn't have the net on the trampoline, I think that would have worked a lot better, because the net on the surface of the trampoline is kind of slippery. So when I landed on it, it was a little slippery, but learning on the trampoline with even a bounce just got me kind of used to it and got me over the fear quicker. Then I would say doing that like elevated pad thing that was really soft, so like a crash pad with maybe like another mat over it, so you can at least get some jump, and then just slowly lowering it to the ground. Honestly, just a basic progression. Everything here is homemade except for that gymnastics pad. I got that on Amazon a long time ago. Hope you guys enjoyed this progression video. Hope it was motivating. So I learned this whole thing in only a day, 22 minutes. Maybe you guys could take some of those techniques away and get over the fear and maybe learn it even quicker. But if you don't learn it quicker, don't worry about it. It's not about learning things fast, although a lot of you guys like to learn things fast, and that's why I make those 5-minute tutorials. It's about learning things so you can have a good time and have fun. So remember, the journey's the fun part, because when you get something, it's short-lived, and then, you know, eventually you want to move on to the next thing. So enjoy the journey, enjoy the struggle. Now I'm sounding like, you know, one of those guys. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos coming out this week. I'm going to be uploading more frequently. Hope you guys all have a great day. Peace, y'all have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.